Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hoon. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. Okay, on that corner, I used to have Bravo Infuser. And what happened was I sold it the other day, and I'm planning on replacing with 58 millimeter espresso machine. But meantime, I have to make espresso some other way. Okay, so my Lapaboni is not ready yet, so which means I have to use my Flair Neo. If you are new to Flair, so Flair is a manual espresso machine. So Neo is the kind of like entry level model. Okay, and you can get a Neo. I'm sorry, not the Neo, but Flair Espresso, the Pro model as well. They're really fancy with the gauge on it, pressure gauge, and they're fantastic. But for what I use, Neo is just fine. Okay, make sure if you are thinking about buying a Neo, make sure you get a non-pressurized basket. Okay, so this is non-pressurized basket. It's like black color. They comes with the red one. So this is pressurized baskets. The pressurized means kind of like similar to your espresso machine at home. The pressurized, so you don't have to worry about the grinder size much, and also you can use a pre-ground beans as well. But personally, I prefer non-pressurized. So let me show you how I make espresso at work. Now water is all ready to go now. So now I have to warm up all my equipment. Okay, what I mean by that is I have to heat up my water chamber. So here's what I like to do. I like to press my piston upside down like this, put it in here, and also I like to heat up my filter basket as well. This afternoon I'm going to use Ethiopia beans from Good Brothers Coffee. By the way, I have a 25% coupon. If you haven't used it, Good Brothers yet, make sure to take advantage of that. Okay, 25% is pretty good discount. So this one is a light to medium roast, blueberry, and creamy and juicy. Man, sounds wonderful. So let's try this. Nothing like freshly grounded coffee beans. They are very fruity, smells wonderful. So let's prepare this. I'm ready to pull the shot, so now only thing I gotta do is just put hot water in it on the cylinder and we should be good to go. So I ended up putting about 15 grams of coffee. So I'm looking at 1:2 ratio, so 15 gram in and 30 gram out. So let's take a look. Shot looks really good. I can smell all the aroma of all the citrus. Smells fantastic. So this espresso has a blueberry note on it. I can definitely smell it. So let's try this. So I got 15 gram in and 30 gram out. So 1:2 ratio. I think so far I really like the 1:2. I try like 1:3. That's a bit sour to me, but 1:3 is my perfect ratio for me. So, cheers. Yes, definitely. Wow, it's really good. Very smooth and very fruity, well balanced. I'm really happy with Flair so far. This is not a Lapaboni, but for what you get for around $100, can't beat it. So what I'm gonna do is I got some leftover. I'm gonna make myself an Americano. and see what that tastes like here. Cheers. Wow, you know what? With the Americano or long black, man, I can taste the blueberry very strongly. Okay, that's really good. Wow, I'm very surprised by the how much the blueberry the note comes out. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions regarding Flair, please let me know in the comment section. And what else? Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and see you guys next time.